Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to shut it off the horn. All the time if I lock and lock the door, it's beep the horn. I don't like that. And if I use the remote start, it's the same. I hate that because every day I have to go to work, I wake up my neighbors. I don't need that anymore, and I go show you in this tutorial how to shut the horn off. Okay, first step, turn the ignition on. Probably you're gonna get this screen. You have to go on controls, settings. So you're gonna get this display. You hit the door lock. You see all my options is on. Is on, sorry. You have to disable that. Boom. Bem. Let's get out of the vehicle and see if it's gonna work. No more sound. See, let's see the remote start. Lock, unlock. You won't wake up your neighbors anymore. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.